What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Rep 361 Texas. Today we're going to be putting long tube headers and catback exhaust on the Ram here. Stainless Works provided the headers, bought them from a buddy of mine on Facebook. They are slightly used, but you cannot get this set of headers anymore. These are the ones that are catless or ghost catted. Anyway, today we're gonna go get some dyno pulls of this truck before and after the headers to see what the power difference is, like what I'm actually going to gain. This is going to be a pretty good realistic power gain. I'm not going to spray the truck on a dyno with nitrous. I'm just going to go ahead and do naturally aspirated, right? You know, if I was to spray it with nitrous, there is a difference depending on bottle pressures and air temperatures and stuff with the nitrous. So naturally aspirated is going to be the way to go to get the best results as far as a control for this little test. I'm looking to see probably, I'm gonna say like maybe a 30 horsepower gain. I'm not sure. If I were you and I was looking for headers, shopping for headers, I would definitely be in the market for Stainless Works. There are a bunch of different other brands out there, but these things have the longevity, they have the appearance, they have the performance that unlike any other headers produced for these Ram 1500s. With that being said, we're gonna hop off into today's video. We'll see you over at Gordo's Tire for the dyno. All right, so the Ram's headed out over to Gordo's. We're following it in City Sancho. By the way, for those of y'all who haven't met City Sancho is my 2006 Silverado with an NLS and a 4L Shitty E transmission. By the way, it's got a bunch of lights on, which is really cool. It's got the service airbag light on, which I didn't even know this thing was on bags, but that explains why it's so low to the ground. We got the fuel light, which is the little guy there. He's fixing to commit suicide over the fuel being low. It doesn't matter how much fuel I put in it, that light stays on. We got the swing around and blow bubble gum guy. He's swinging around and blowing bubbles, and then we have the little hoon dude. He's got his hat on sideways. You press that button, he's over there ready to hoon. He's got his hoon hat on. Then also if I do this, then I got the little ninja. This dude's cool as hell. He's just chilling, ready to do ninja things. But yeah, so we're run this stop sign. Why not? Oh, hoon dude's ready to do hoon stuff. Yeah. Good old City Sancho. This truck's awesome. Anyway, it's my 2006 Silverado. Ain't really got much done to it. Just got a little bit of head work, small cam. Of course, it's tuned by me. Seems to be doing great. It's got great oil pressure. Haven't blown it up yet. Still too cold to be romping on it, but we're doing that. That thing is dirty as hell. Dirty dirt tape. Alright, let's get pulled in over here at Gordo's Tire and Automotive. Looks like they're not even fucking open today. Oh, they're open. Okay, that's good. They're open. Hola, ¿cómo estás, putos? What's going on?
So, yeah, I seen you yesterday.
Did you? Where'd you see me at?
At that four-way over there with the straps on 3036.
Oh, leave me a hand. Oh, there it is.
You're returning left at that.
So the Ram is on the dyno here at Gordo's. We're fixing to do the first pull. Just a little test pass, make sure everything is strapped down properly. The truck's not gonna walk or anything like that. And then hopefully, if all goes good, we'll do a full pull after that, see what this thing makes on motor, not on nitrous, just on motor, to be able to get a good base point on where the power is going to change once we put the headers on. So hopefully we get these headers bolted on and we start making some good low end power. Gonna get the truck up to speed. 355 and I think 341 torque, which is real good. Nothing bad about that. But that was also a light pull. Didn't do a full pull. Right now, I'm just gonna look into my IATs and stuff, make sure everything's looking bougie. We're looking good temp-wise. So we'll do another pull here in a second and fork and see if we can get that 1-to-1 down. All right, here we go. Fixing to hit the green button and send her. All right, so with full bolt-ons, we just made 366 and 391 torque. That's good for what we're trying to do. Just trying to get a baseline so we can get these bad boys smacked on. So let me get these things on. It's gonna take me the rest of the day. Hopefully at the end of the day, we do a run with the headers. All right, let's go.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing, so cold, behold.
And the Stainless Works headers, you know we have to start it open header. Although it is open header, I'm not gonna run it for very long because of course it will be sucking in air directly to the O2 sensor, so it won't be getting an accurate reading if I run it for a long period of time. But it ought to be cool nonetheless. If you don't run open headers when you put them on, who really are you? Start a loud ass fucking truck. All right. Took a lot longer than I thought it would, but everybody warned me Stainless Works headers are a pain in the ass. That's not quiet at all. So we got the Stainless Works long tubes all bolted up finally. Took a lot of time, but now we're down to the Y pipe and stuff, which is all bolted up and it's in there. You can kind of see it. But we got some finishing touches to put on it. So all right, so day 2, actually like 2 weeks later, we have the Ram here back at Gordo's with the headers on it. We got the long tube, Stainless Works long tube headers installed. I've got my mid pipe and everything attached to the back. Exhaust cutouts reinstalled, but it is stuck open. So we're gonna be running it with the loud tune. You can kind of see the exhaust cutout down there. I don't know if you can or can't, or whatever. Here, there it is. So anyway, I have a loose wire somewhere, but no big deal. So we're gonna get it put on a dyno and we're gonna see what changes from the manifolds to the new headers. So anyway, stay tuned and we'll continue on this video today. All right, so we're fixing to make the second pull after the Stainless Works long tube headers and exhaust. As for right now, the truck is just on a base tune. I didn't want to get too much tuning involved. I want to try to get realistic numbers. Of course, the base tune was needed because the fueling did kind of change a little bit on the top end. So right now we're just getting it rolling so the straps can be tightened. Want to make sure anytime you do a dyno run that you got tight straps, the wheels chalked, all that good stuff. Park sensors turned off, otherwise they'll drive you crazy. Shout out to my boy Matt Brown at Demon Motorsports. Go check him out if you ain't heard of him. You're doing the wrong thing. we made on that first pull. So 378 and 388 torque. So we picked up 50, 60, 70, about 20, probably 25 horsepower with the long tubes. Hell yeah. All right, I'm gonna do another one and roll into it a little bit harder. It actually did way better in torque. Not bad. Picked up 25 horsepower with the headers and long tubes, and just a base tune, not the final tune, right? I noticed the AFR was a little on the rich side on the top end, so we'll go for another one, see what happens. Downshifted on me because I stomped on it hard, but all right, so let's see what we got on that one. The downshift may have spiked it. Huh? What? Yeah, that spike from the shift. So the shift, when it shifted, it spiked in power, and then it came back down to that next RPM. So right here, we're pushing a little bit higher power though. Oh shit. Oh fuck, yeah, shit. Nah, yeah, there's a thing on top to zoom out. So it looks like after the shift we're right around the 380 mark, which is nice. No, you got 380 over here in the corner, so that's pretty legit. Hell yeah, I'm cool with that. So say 350, 60, 70, 80, it's roughly 32, 34 horsepower gain with long tubes and tuning. I'm good with that. That's all I need. Fuck yeah. We picked up roughly around 30 horsepower. We'll just go with 30. It's a nice moderate number. That was with the Stainless Works long tube headers, and of course the cat back from Stainless Works as well. Shout out to Stainless Works. Shout out to Matt Brown. Shout out to Gordo's Tire and Automotive. You can see they got all kinds of stuff going on. My boy Tristan right there rolling the tires around. But anyway, that'll be it for today's video. That'll be it for 2022, guys. I hope to see you in the next video, and I might throw something at the end of this video just to kind of cap off the year. So if you do like the content, you want to see more in 2023, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Make sure to like the video. We'll see you next time. Rep 361 Texas, we're out.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And fuck all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing.